Representatives, dati kandara pa sila. Bigay kay VP Sara ng no questions asked, confidential funds. Ngayon, binawi nyo. Siyempre magagalit si Digong sa inyo. Di ba? Uwak-bawi pala kayo eh. Confidential funds, wala rin resibo. I was mayor also before, naging COA commissioner pa ako. Alam niyo ba liquidation ng Intel fund na yan? Ipapasok lang sa sealed envelope, nakalagay sa circular, in sealed envelopes. Ang adobo mo, ilagay mo doon, adobong dilaw, ilagay mo doon sa sealed envelope. Di ba yan papasa sa COA? Kasi sealed envelope yan eh. That's what I've been saying, that the Congress, aside from doing the Filipino people a favor, so it speaks, magpasa na kayo ng batas na nililimitan nyo yung confidential fund, zero sa civilian agencies. At ang Intel fund ay may batas na nag-regulate kung paano yan gagastusin.
Senator Sonny,
confidential funds are audited kasi a lot of people assume that they're unauditable,
Intel
but they are
funds are also audited.
Yes,
There is a COA circular.
they can be audited. It's just that, as you pointed out, the rules
No
on
receipts.
liquidation are unclear.
No receipts are required. It's in the
Correct.
circular. You read it.
So what happens to that sealed envelope? Who gets to read it? Who
The
gets
COA.
to check it?
The
Sila
COA
lang.
auditor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So it's really
in case
them.
of national agencies, the office of the chair of COA has a specific officer there in the rank of director.
If there are further questions, what happens then?
Well, they can disallow it. You see, the COA is the guardian of the funds of the government. So
the
they
buck
can
stops
disallow
with the COA.
it. Yeah, they can disallow it. But tell me, and no offense to COA, it's a professional organization. I was very happy there, and I have a family there. I feel like I'm family up to now. Meron bang confidential fund o Intel fund na disallow? Wala, di ba?
Every administration.
Grabe ang mga tao ngayon kaya bumagsak yung rating nila. Grabe na inflation, grabe na ang rising prices. 60% or more of the GDP ang utang. O baka gusto niyo matulad na kayo sa mga mas mahirap pa na bansa sa atin na halos hindi na tayo makabili ng bigas natin. So, in that context, na poor ang country natin, mag-Intel fund, confidential fund pa kayo na hindi namin alam where you spend it. Napaka-confidential, hindi namin alam. What's happening sa Constitution? There has to be accountability and transparency, Gretchen. O saan ang transparency dyan kung sealed envelopes yan? Gusto nila lahat, may confi fund sila kasi parang yun ang kanilang kitty-kitty, di ba?
Hold on, I want to take this chance to correct a misconception though. Confidential funds,
The intelligence fund is for military,
And you're okay with that?
bodies.
And with the amounts, you're okay
It's
with
necessary,
the amounts?
but it's how they spend it that's objectionable. The confidential funds are called as such because they are appropriated for civilian agencies. So for example, last year, the Department of Transportation had around 30 million. The Department of Social Welfare had 30 million. I mean, who are you going to entail in the DSWD? You know? While the state universities and hospitals, they've cut the budget. But now, the President wants 1.2 billion in his confidential fund. The Vice President wants, what, 500 million? And another 500 million for DepEd. Which now, ito masaya. Kasi now, the House of Representatives, dati kandara pa sila. Bigay kay VP Sara ng no questions asked, confidential funds. Ngayon, binawi nyo. Siyempre magagalit si Digong sa inyo. Di ba? Uwak-bawi pala kayo eh.
Yung sinabi po ni Presidente.